Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video, I would like to share with you a very interesting vlog microphone designed by Sairen, and it's called T-Microphone vlog microphone. You can see the size is just like the letter T. We have two condenser microphones on the left and the right, and we can switch between the one microphone or the two microphones at the same time. The reason why I have this microphone is because when I was vlogging with my camera, such as this Insta360 One R, sometimes for the behind-the-scenes movie shot, not only I want to capture the sound very clear in front of the lens, but also I was sitting behind the camera. I still want to have a very clear and very robust human voice to explain what is happening on the behind-the-scenes movie. So I really need a microphone that could capture the front and back at the same time with very high sound quality. That is the reason why I bought this camera on the Ulanzi website. Although it's designed by Sairen, I try to use the microphone with the Insta360 One R because I want to shoot a better behind-the-scenes movie for you guys. These are what inside the box. We have two wind protection foam and two windshield. A user manual, English and Chinese, a bag for you to carry this microphone, and this Sairen T-Micphone, which has two condenser microphones on the front and on the back. And on the bottom we have a 1/4" mount, which you can mount on the mini tripod, and we also have a coat shoe mount. You can mount this on the coat shoe mount like this. You can mount on the 1R mount like this. Yes, that is the reason why I bought this microphone. And yes, this is an anti-shock mount, which is protect the microphone and record very clear and sharp sound. And apart from that, this is a main part of the T-Microphone. This is a front microphone and this is a rear microphone. And you can switch between the front and front plus rear. The switch to this one, to the top, only the front microphone works for your vlog camera. When you switch back, it will record the sound on the front and on the back at the same time. Both of the front and rear microphone are Corelite. It's very good design for the vloggers. And on the right, we have another switch. We will switch on the bottom. It will be a TRRS socket, which is compatible with most of the cameras like the EOS M series and Insta360 One R. When you turn on to the top, this will be a TRRS socket that is compatible with most of the microphones. So this microphone could be used not only with your cameras but also with your cell phones. Okay, that is all about the Sairen T-Micphone. It's very interesting accessory for my behind-the-scenes videos, and I hope I can make a better behind-the-scenes movie with this T-Microphone. And yes, back to the box, we can see that on the front and the rear, it's electrical condenser microphone, cardboard polar pattern, and the sensitivity is -38 dB. So it's a very high sensitivity microphone. And we don't need to put the battery, and it's very light. It's 49 grams. Yes, and that is all what I want to share with you about this very little accessory for my vlog setup. This is the T-Microphone. And if you like it, please thumb up, subscribe, and hit notification bell. I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day.